Dun, 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 dun. Hello, folks. This is a toy ranter. And if you're under the age of 14, you should not be watching this extreme video. This extreme video is for adult collectors only. And we will reviewing a special figure that we picked up at Target. Finally found it. Ready? Haha. Bam. Haha. Originally, this little baby was a part of a 3-pack with Longshot and Dazzler. Haha. But now, it's available in a single release out of nowhere. So are you ready, folks? Are you ready for an extreme review of MOJO? Haha. Well, let's let the review begin. Dun, 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 dun. This is provided by the Toy Ranter. Thank you for all subscribers, and feel free to hit that like button and the subscribe button. This is going to be extreme. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to my toy review. I'm taking a little break from toy hunting because, as you know, things have been a little dry. But we've been finding things, on the fly, just before work. And I finally found this guy. I've been looking for this guy for some time. I walked in the Target, not expecting anything, and bam, there he was. They had 4 of them, because I checked on the when you check the price in Target, and it says available, it says nowhere available. I checked Null and Venom, and it always says come up available only in Staten Island, and I live in Central Jersey, so around the Elizabeth Newark area, so it's not that close. So I'm not going to Staten Island all the way, because as you know, gas is going up, inflation, and all that other crap. So finally picked this guy up. So let's open him up and see, because I know that other reviewers have reviewed MOJO, but they're not extreme like your boy. So let's take a look. On the top, we have the X-Men sign. What do you think about that new Marvel Legends Puff Adder wave, the Avengers wave coming up? What y'all think about that? Leave your comments below. Tell me what you think. And bottom, we got barcodes and stuff like that there. And stuff like that. Hold up. Yeah. So, got the barcode in the bottom here. And on the side, you've got artwork. Real nice. So, we're going to cut here. Cut the side because we don't want to. And there you go. Get him out the box here. This is what Hasbro's doing now. You got the little baggies. You got the baggies now. That's what we're doing. It's all about baggies, y'all. Oh, we'll be back. Damn it. Alright, we got all the pieces out. So, let's take everything out the baggie. We've got this. Wow, this guy is huge. Put that there. So Leave a comment in below and tell me how many of y'all have had. Is this been easy for you to find or hard? We have the top there. We have this stuff. That's the wires to MOJO's arms. And we have the MOJO extra hands. We have the bulbous belly. What's in my belly? We have the tail. And finally, but we've got a little MOJO head. Who's got MOJO head? I got MOJO head. Stop sticking up your tongue like that. Oh, it dropped. That's the back. That's 2 head sculpts, which is good. Stop taking out your tongue. That's not nice. Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. Shut up. All right. So we're just going to put on. We're going to put this together right on screen. So this hole goes in here. This looks like the back, and this is the back. So obviously it goes there. It goes there. Wow, this thing is massive, y'all. Got pincers. It's really bigger than the original. I'm really impressed with this. Really. Okay, we've got that. Okay, now we've got spread the arms. Like so. And we're gonna put it right in the diaphragm. Right in the diaphragm. Wow, this is massive. Just in time for and then this goes in the back. Like so. Then the wires. Am I doing it right? These 2 holes here. Yeah, I guess I'm doing it right. Damn, sorry about that, y'all. I had the wire in the wrong place. This one goes like that, so. And the other one goes on the other side. If you read the comic books that featured MOJO, MOJO is obviously from another dimension, and he is part of a race called the Spineless Ones. Yeah, how'd I know that? Because your boy, the Extreme Toy Ranter, is a Marvel master. That's how I know. And then we're going to put on the head. It's got a ball peg here. We're going to put it on. So, all right, we finally put the head, and now the tail goes right in this spot right here. This is just too much work, but I am complete. Welcome to MOJO Vision. Yep, MOJO has a point hand. What are you doing? Or what are you going to do to entertain one of the spineless ones? MOJO, Joe. Bam! So, there you have it, folks. MOJO from Marvel Legends. An unsuspected reveal. They probably said, oh, this is not going to sell. We might as well just release him by itself and at retail and see how it does. I'm game. I give this 9 stars. It's easy to put together. Little, you know, it was hell to get it out the box, but, you know, what else you gonna do? So, hey, you see this? Pick it up. You know, it's a great piece. Belly, I want food in my belly. Bam! I hope you like the MOJO review. We're back, and we're going to be bringing you even more reviews. Ain't that right, MOJO? Shut your mouth. Okay, so this has been an extreme review of MOJO from Marvel Legends Hasbro 2022. And the Toy Rancher will see you in the toy aisles. And pick up a Gundam Universe figure. Help the cause, man. Looking for that Master Gundam in that Shinlong. Incredible. Don't forget to pick it up. This has been a Toy Rancher Extreme Review. See ya, toy collectors, plastic maniacs. Ha ha! Dun 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 dun.